Yo, what's up? Welcome back. It's me, the OG Sir Freeze. Check me out on Twitch. And today in this video, we're just gonna be taking blinkers. I said in the last video, the next video is gonna be this, so that's what we're doing. This is my third video today. I'm probably gonna post it later on when I am laying down. I don't know if I'm gonna take a dab before the video ends, but we'll see later on. It depends on how bad these blinkers kill my throat. Let's start with this one. There really wasn't a lot of smoke there. All right, let's get into the next one. Cheers. All right, we're gonna wait a minute and take like one or two. Let me know how y'all doing down in the comments. If you like the video, leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel. It's always an option. And I'm probably gonna take another blinker or two, but first I'm gonna hit one of these dabs. Shit, that shit killed my throat. As I said in the last video, I got a broken ass nectar collector. It fell off a mantle and the whole front of it fell off, so I had to super glue and tape that shit back together. If you made it this far in the video, let me know down in the comments what your favorite strain to smoke on is. Damn, this whole video is just gonna be me dying. Before we get into that other blinker, I gotta give my lungs a minute to rest. This is what the nectar collector looks like. It's broken as hell. Still works though. I think I'm going to attempt one more blinker before this video ends. All right. I'll catch y'all later.